As the parent of a future musical theater student, what is your plan to pay for your share of college? Now, you may be thinking, well, my kid's going to be a musical theater major. They're going to get a scholarship. While that very well may be true, even after scholarships are taken into consideration, you'll still likely owe $20,000 to $25,000 per year at a state school. However, there's a good chance they could end up at a private university, in which case that amount could easily be $35,000, maybe as much as $60,000 per year. Again, that's after scholarships. Many parents don't realize this financial reality of college. I'm college planning expert Doug Bryan, and I'm the founder and director of planning at Insight College and Financial Solutions in Grand Prairie, Texas. At Tracy Jordan's College Audition Prep Weekend, your student will learn tips, techniques, and skills on how to effectively navigate the musical theater audition game. A few years back, Tracy reached out and brought me in as part of his team in order to show parents how to play the college financial aid and funding game to their advantage. And I do refer to this as a game because currently, who knows the rules to the financial aid game better, you or the colleges? During my 1 hour workshop, I will share my insights with parents so that you can play the financial side to your advantage. Again, just like your student will be learning to do the same thing on the talent side of the equation. To my knowledge, this is the only camp of its kind that includes coaching parents through the financial reality of college. At the last live event, Tracy told me he received overwhelmingly enthusiastic feedback from parents on my presentation. Hopefully, you'll be available on that Saturday and you'll be just as prepared for college on the financial side as you want your student to be on the talent side. Now, on a personal note, my youngest daughter just graduated in May from the theater department in Oklahoma City University. Her degree is in design and production with a double emphasis in stage management and technical direction. I know it's a mouthful. I'm very proud to say that she's currently in Brunswick, Maine, working at the Maine State Theater doing basically their version of the Dallas Summer Musicals. So yes, my wife and I are theater parents just like you. I look forward to meeting you at College Audition Prep Weekend.